Hi everybody, let's see then the English version of the exercise of the committee. This is not particularly difficult, but it's useful to solve the exercise. So it's a good revision. The Dean of Science wants to select a committee consisting of mathematicians and physicists to discuss a new curriculum. There are 15 mathematicians and 20 physicists at the faculty. How many committees of 8 members are there if there must be more mathematicians than physicists, but at least one physicist on the committee? First of all, let's spot the data of the problem. So we have 15 mathematicians, we have 20 physicists, we must have a commission of 8 members, there must be more mathematicians than physicists, and at least one physicist. So these are the data. First, 8 members. If we hadn't any constraints, such as this and this, 8 members means no mathematicians and 8 physicists, or 1 mathematician and 7 physicists, or 2 mathematicians and 6 physicists, and so on, until 8 mathematicians and no physicists. But we cannot choose all these possibilities because there must be at least one physicist and there must be more mathematicians than physicists. That means that at the end there might be one physicist, because at least one, and 7 mathematicians, or 2 physicists and 6 mathematicians, or 3 physicists and 5 mathematicians, and stop, because 4 and 4 is not possible because of this constraint. Okay, so this is the introduction, the first step of the solution. Now it's only about counting, because if we had a committee of 1F and 7M, there are 20 ways to choose one physicist in a set of 20, and specifically this is the number 20 binomial 1, because you have a subset of 1 in a set of 20, which is of course 20. 7M in a set of 15 is 15 binomial 7. So the question is, how many subsets of 7 elements are there in a set of 15? So it's 15 binomial 7, and so on. So 2 physicists in a set of 20, so it's 20 binomial 2, and 6 mathematicians in a set of 15, so 15 binomial 6, and so on. So 20 binomial 3 and 15 binomial 5. Okay, our problem is solved because now it's only about performing calculations. And now quickly our vocabulary corner. We have learned the Dean of Science, especially the Dean, which is the headmaster, the principal, the head of a faculty. In this case, the Dean of Science, so the head of the Faculty of Science. We have learned a committee, which is a group of people with a special important task. In this case, it's a group of professors, university professors, with the task to discuss a new curriculum. Probably because there is a new member, a new professor to admit in the faculty. And finally, even though the terms mathematicians and physicists are very easy to understand for Italian people, I just want to underline the fact that a person with a degree in mathematics is a mathematician. A person whose field of expertise is maths is a mathematician, but a person with a degree in physics is not a physician, is a physicist. A physician is a medical doctor, so a physician has nothing to do with a physicist. So enough for today. See you next time. Bye bye.